Hello everyone, my name is Lars and I'm a senior VFX artist in the visual effects industry, and I've been a working professional for almost 15 years. In this course, you and me, we will go through the entire process of painting character skin textures for visual effects, as well as use those texture maps to build a complex and realistic skin shader inside of Arnold for Maya. As you might already have understood, this course is based around a project, so we will spend the brunt of our time going more in depth on the tools that we actually need for solving these specific practical problems, instead of trying to cover every little tool and button inside of both pieces of software. We will start by looking at how to evaluate a model and its UVs. We'll look at how to set up a work scene inside of Mari and how to use its powerful painting tools, how to use projection painting to create detailed displacement and skin color maps. We'll look at the workflow for building a production-ready skin shader inside of Arnold, and we'll learn how to evaluate our work in progress and how to paint control masks in Mari to refine and give complexity to our skin shader, as well as have whiteboard lessons where we try to wrap our heads around some of the more technical aspects of things like file formats, displacement values, and the UDIM workflow. Included in the course is all of the model material you'll need to get started, so you'll find the work head model, the displacement maps from ZBrush, as well as a finished lighting and look development Maya scene ready and set up for us to start building our skin shader inside of. I've also made some assignment videos sprinkled throughout the course so that you can practice the techniques you're learning as you go through the material. While this course is aimed at somewhat intermediate students with some prior experience working with 3D software, I do, however, try to at least briefly cover the parts of the tools that we actually use for this specific project, so you might still be able to follow along even if you're a newer CG artist. So whether or not you're new to the world of skin texturing and shading, or maybe have tried it in the past but found the whole process to be kind of a struggle, then you are very welcome to come on in and I'll teach you my workflow that I've personally used for all kinds of projects, ranging from smaller local commercials to big tentpole Hollywood features and TV shows. I'll see you in the classroom.